Hello, and this is how to create a blog post in Wix. Once you're in the back end of the dashboard, look for the word blog on the left-hand side. Once you hover over the word blog, you will see an option to create a post below the overview word. Once you click post, you will see all the blog posts on your site. Click in the upper right-hand corner the words create new post. Write an engaging title. Write at least 2 paragraphs or one long paragraph with SEO-friendly words mentioning regions, towns, and areas. Navigate onto the right-hand side and click the Add button, then click Image. The media library within the website will pop up, or you can upload new media from your device. Click Settings on the left-hand side. An important step is to click Categories at the top. I have set several categories within the site. If nothing applies to your post, create a new category. Another idea to optimize your post is to create tags. Tags are specific to a post. They're different in categories. Say if a post was about wood, tag would be wood. If you built the steps in concrete, a concrete tag, or if a worker worked on it, Sam would be a tag. It's rather different in categories. After you set tags or one tag, hit publish.